Hello and welcome to Bitcoin Smart Money. Since our last update, Bitcoin's up about 1,000 points per coin, and thing continues to look really bullish. There have been a handful of opportunities, mainly on the long side, so we've really been staying with that trend. Since October 2015, we are still in the bull trend, still fully long on that daily, and we have room to go to 3,000 here in the really short term. So I expect $3,000 per coin to be happening. We've just taken out some overhead resistance, and we have some trend line support here at the 2850, 2860 range. So I definitely expect us to hit that, possibly go through it here over the next couple hours. But I just wanted to say the last trade we made took place right around here on the 31st. I was able to get in at around 2360 per coin on the long side, and we're still fully trading above the moving averages. So I really do see some good upside here for Bitcoin. Volumes have been strong on the moves up, and one of the things I wanted to discuss was evolving as a trader. And one thing I kind of used to be was a Bitcoin maximalist per se, but one of the things I've learned in life is that if we're not evolving and taking in new information, then we're just becoming stodgy and really just letting things pass us by. And there's so many opportunities in life, and one of the opportunities I thought deemed really necessary was to look at the altcoin market. When you see the capitalization of, say, Bitcoin at a $44 billion market cap, and there being opportunities out there with altcoins growing to hundreds of millions, a handful here now in the billion-dollar market cap range. One of the ones I've been trading here lately was Primecoin, and what I had been noticing with Primecoin was that it had made one big bar up, and then it would have a lot of bars down. You could see that happening over here. Last week I was in trades like this a few weeks ago as well. But what I want to show you here is what I made from yesterday. We had this bar up here, so I have my buy signal that came through. I was able to buy it here at roughly 18,196, and I was able to sell it here this morning at 2440, and that's about a 12.5% gain in 12 hours or so. And that's nothing really to shy about. You can see the position is still long. However, I did see this large bar up over the course of an hour. So I fully expect it to regress here a little bit. And one of the ROIs I'm noticing with the alts is that if you can take advantage of the moves, even though as you can see here it's moving a little bit against me, maybe 2%, I was able to take 12.5% off the table. So what I'm going to do now with that 12.5% profit is look for the next opportunity. It might not be here in Primecoin. And one of the things I really try and pride myself on is not looking back at trades, not letting the trades get to me. So, moving forward, I'm going to look for the next opportunity. I'm going to half full my trade here and say I'm taking the 12.5% in about 12 to 14 hours worth of a trade. And I'm going to look for the next opportunity. One of the things, anybody that's watching this, if you want, you can send me a tweet, send me a DM, whatever works best for you. Ask me any symbol you'd like, and I'd be more than happy to give you some analysis on it, let you know what I see with the volume and the price, and whether it looks like a viable position moving forward. So that's all I have right now. We'll catch you in a few days. We'll be back to giving you more altcoin advice as well as giving you the Bitcoin price update. Here we go, 3,000. We'll see you in a few days.